If you are struggling to grow on YouTube, it's not your fault. But you are probably making one huge mistake that is really killing your views. And if you don't fix this, your channel will stay stuck at 0 views forever. Let me ask you something. Have you ever posted a video, felt super excited, and then nothing? No views, no clicks, no growth. It's frustrating, right? You pour your heart into your content, but YouTube just doesn't seem to care. Well, I have good news and bad news for you. The bad news, you are making mistakes that you don't even realize. And the good news, I'm about to show you exactly how to fix this and start getting views. Most YouTubers think their videos aren't getting views because of the algorithm. They blame YouTube. But let me tell you the truth. The problem starts way before YouTube even sees your video. Imagine YouTube as a giant store. If people walk by your video but never click on it, YouTube thinks it's not interesting. And what does YouTube do with boring videos? It buries them. So your videos aren't getting views because people aren't clicking on it. If your click-through rate is below 4%, YouTube sees your content as boring and stops recommending it. Here's the brutal reality. You could make the best content in the world, but if people don't click on it, it doesn't matter. And that's why small YouTubers like myself and you remain small. So how do you fix this? It's simple, but 99% of small YouTubers never do this. Your thumbnails and titles are everything. Use strong colors and contrast in thumbnails. And ever notice why big YouTubers use yellow, red, and high contrast images? Because it catches the eye. Write titles that spark curiosity, and titles like "Do This" and "YouTube will bury your channel" forces people to click it. Get to Buddy and YouTube Analytics and check your CTR. If it's below 4%, change your thumbnail and title. Keep testing until it works. People don't just click on okay thumbnails. They click on thumbnails that make them feel something. Excitement, urgency, fear, curiosity. Let me show you what happens when you apply this strategy. If you get people to click on your video, YouTube pushes your content to more people. And that's how you start growing fast. Now that you know how to get people to click, you need to make sure they watch till the end. If people click on your video but leave in 5 seconds, YouTube will stop recommending it. In my next video, I will reveal the secret in keeping your audience engaged and make them watch your video till the end. Trust me, it's a game changer. But until then, goodbye.